So I wanted to show how the cells with Play-Doh, and you can see the white Play-Doh here, and all I did was make a big string and circle, so that would represent the phospholipid bilayer. You can see the DNA in here, the nucleus with phospholipid bilayer, a nuclear pore as its protein. You can see the red I used, the endoplasmic reticulum here, and I made some free ribosomes over here, and some bound to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So you have the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth here. I made a little vacuole here, and you can see the Golgi apparatus with its membrane, and a vacuole here which will probably end up being secreted. Now, you also see these wires that I made out of red Play-Doh, which would represent the cytoskeleton. These would actually be made by the free ribosomes here. And so I just wanted to show you how you can do the cell in Play-Doh so you have something to work with. Now, if you were actually doing other things, for instance, when we're actually dealing with the bones actually, the cells end up making the proteins in these little vacuoles, so you're going to make them in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The vacuole is going to go to the Golgi is going to sort it and modify the proteins, take the vacuole, and the vacuole will actually be sent out here, and that protein will end up making the matrix, the area around it, that is going to be the rest of the bone, for instance. I know this is a short video, and that's all I wanted to talk about. I hope you have a nice day.